Okay, I have my trusty hourglass working, and we're on our 6th video for today. 6 times 5 minutes means only 30 minutes of me talking. It's really not all that much. And 20 here, 20 there of you. So before you turn around, it's time for lunch. It's expected that a professional social worker will use the right, meaning validated as effective, diagnostic and treatment tools depending upon the client and environmental variables. It implies, evidence-based practice implies, that we use the right interventions under the right circumstances. And it is a compassionate and client-centered model of treatment by definition, because it tends to be the right intervention for the right population. That's compassionate, not shooting by your hip and intuition. The textbook that you have gives you a nice discussion about the steps of this model. I'd like you to take a look at that, read through those steps together, then talk among yourselves and answer the following 3 questions for me. Do it today if you can, but if you can't, you have plenty of time, because we're not meeting for a few weeks, and you can do it on your own, and then you'll be prepared to talk together in class. Again, classroom discussion is really important to me. I have to hear you talking, and I know you're gonna, because I'm going to have you do your quizzes together as a group, and then I'll give you a group grade on it, unless you want to be the lone wolf who says, no, I prefer my own answers, and then I'll grade your answers separately, and you'll have your own grade. Okay, so the questions for your next assignment, for your next class, are among what I've already given you. What is the difference between a top-down and a bottom-up search? This is about a literature search, how you actually conduct the literature review for your study, whatever you decide you want to discuss, or whatever you decide you want to inquire in your dissertation research. So you want to know, what is the difference between a top-down and a bottom-up search? The second question is, what types of studies are randomized clinical trials, and why do social workers rarely use them? That's not exactly the easiest question to answer. I think you just have to talk about it among yourselves and see if you can come up with an answer. I'll be flexible in how I review it. I just want you to get going on the talking. Number 3, is there a disconnect between qualitative research and evidence-based practice? Why do you think there is? Why do you think there isn't? Have these questions ready for me for next time. Gee, my hourglass isn't very far, but I'm going to stop our video right now and continue it with the 3rd chapter and the 3rd topic I want to discuss today, and final topic in a minute.